Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel, RGL Innovations. Today, I want to show you a video of mirror illusion on cabinet. This small cabinet have three sides that I installed mirrors, one on the back and one on two other sides. Then we can create illusions by these three sides of mirrors. And this one I had a mini fountain, a water fountain. And you can see the illusion of the mirror. That's one of the other side, and this is the back side. And this is the other side. I hope you like the video about the mirror illusion, and please subscribe and share this video. See you next time.